channel. Let's learn together.
Princess Salt and Her Secret. Once upon a time there lived a king with his 3 daughters. "I do so much for you. How do I know you appreciate me?" he asked the 3 princesses. One daughter said, "My king, I appreciate you as I appreciate sugar." The king was pleased. The second daughter said, "I appreciate you as I appreciate honey." The king was pleased. The third daughter approached and said, "I appreciate you as I appreciate salt." "Salt? It means you don't appreciate me at all. Get out of my castle," said the angry king. Sad, the princess left the castle. She found work as a cook at another castle. She was kind and worked hard, and everyone loved her. One day, she heard that her father will come to visit, so she cooked all the fancy dishes. The guest king tasted the food. "This food has no taste at all. Bring me the cook," he yelled. The cook approached the king and said, "All you need is salt, and then you can appreciate the food." The king recognized the cook as his banished daughter. He also recognized his mistake. "Now I know how important is salt and that you do appreciate me." From then on, the king knew that his daughters loved and appreciated him, and everyone was happy.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.